Hello friends, today I'm making this video for you. This is about circle of fifth. So let's start. So first thing we need to know about the circle of fifth, that we need to find out the sharp major scales. For this, to find out this, we have to just move 7 semitones forward. Okay, so let's start with C. As you know, the C has no sharp and no flat. So if we start from C and we move 7 semitones forward, so we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get our next major scale, that is G. Okay. Now if you move from G, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is D. Now if we move from D, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is A. And if we move from A, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get our E major scale. Okay, so that is how we get it for your sharp major scale. Just 7 semitones forward. I work more on semitones. Some people work with the tones, so that up to you what you feel comfortable is. So I hope this helps you out. I find this one easier way to get this, so that is why I use semitones only. Okay, now second, let's find the now second is your flat major scales. For the same thing you have to do, you have to move 7 semitones, but backward. Okay, let's find how. So after C, if you move back, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get F major. Now if you move from F major 7 backwards, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 was C was 5, 6, and 7. So that is our B flat. Remember, we have to use B flat because we are right now at the flat major scale. So that is why we cannot use that sharp one. Okay. Let's find out after B flat. So after B flat, this is our B flat. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get E flat. Okay, let's start from E flat. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is A flat. Okay. Now I'm leaving all these extra ones that you to find on your own. If you find any problem, you can comment me in the section box. I'll help you out in that. I'll give you the answers, but you should try on your own, so it's better you get more practice. Okay. Let me move to the next point. Next point would be your relative minors. Now for relative minors, what we have to do, we just have to move relative minor. We have to move only 3 semitones back. Okay, doesn't matter it's a sharp major scale or flat major scale. So I'll show you how. Now if you go from C, so you have to go 1, 2, 3. You get your A relative minor. Now if you go from G, this is 1, 2, 3. You get E relative minor. If you go from F, this is 1, 2, 3. You get D relative minor. If you go back from D, you get 1, 2, 3. You get B as relative minor. If you go from B flat, so this is our B flat. If you go back 1, 2, 3, you get G minor. Now if you go from A, you get 1, 2 and 3, you get F sharp. Okay, remember this will be F sharp, not flat. Now if you go back from E flat, 1, 2 and 3, so this will be your C. Okay, C minor. Now if you go from E, you go 1, 2, 3, so this will be your C sharp. Okay, relative minor. And if you go from A flat, so you get 1, 2 and 3, you get your F minor. So that is how you find your relative minors, by moving 3 semitones back. Okay, I hope this is easy and understandable. If still you have any problem, just let me know so I can help you out later on. Okay, last one is, now 2 more points we have in this one. Now you have to find the key signature. You have to move 1 semitone back. Okay, and for the flat, you have to move 5 semitone forward. Okay, I'll show you how. Now from G, this is G major scale, this is your G major scale. If you move 1 semitone back, you get F sharp, so this becomes F sharp. Okay, now from D, if you move 1 step back, you get C sharp, right? You get C sharp, so this becomes C sharp. Now what happened, you keep on adding one more to the next major scale. Like for G, there will be only 1 sharp. For D, there will be F sharp and C sharp. Now for A, now if you move back from A, you get G sharp. This is G sharp, so you add G sharp. So in A, you will use F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. So that is how you keep going back. From E, you go D sharp. Okay, so that is how you get your key signature for sharp major scale. Okay, just 1 semitone back. Now for the flat ones, you have to move 5 semitones forward. Now so from F, we move 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so we get B flat. Okay, you get B flat. Okay, now from B flat, if you, this is B flat, if you move 5 forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get E flat. Okay, I'm not writing this flat. If you want, you can write it down. Okay, now from E flat, if you move 5 forward, this is E, this is E flat. If you move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you get A flat. Okay, now from A flat, this is our A flat. If you move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you get D flat. Okay, so this is how you get your key signature. So I hope this helps you out to understand. You have understood it in an easier way. Still, if you have any problems, please send the message on the comment section. I'll try to solve it out. Okay, so now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.